Hello, my name is Alberto, and I'm very excited to launch Snapshooter. Snapshooter is a product I built to be able to visualize and explore NFT contracts, and also to be able to export CSV of a list of addresses from these relationships. You're going to understand as we go. I built this originally for the On-Chain Summer Hackathon by Base. Now it's up on the third week of iteration until the launch date for the Buildspace Season 5, which is what I'm doing right now. So yeah, let's go into the multiple contract relationships. This is the multiple contract dashboard. Of course, it's not showing anything because we haven't added our contracts. So we go here, we can manually add the contract addresses, the name, and the network, but I can also like save a CSV file and upload it. And I can also put this manually and export this CSV file so I can use it on different time. Okay, so once we have this, we can go and fetch the data. And why do we need the CSV of the address lists? This is important because most of the platforms of Web3, like if I want to send an airdrop, if I want to like make a whitelist or put discounts, they ask for a CSV file of the address lists. But most of the people who will be using this are actually non-technical users. So it's very hard to get this data actually from block explorers, for example. So yeah, I search around 6 contracts. So you can see here selected 96,697. So I can go ahead and export this list. But this is also showing that the relationships between these contracts. So I can know, for example, this Wu-Tang Clan album, which is on Base, and the Mr. Migos NFTs have 5,842 holders. So if I click here, this changes and I can export the address list of those holders, and so on with all the relationships. As I click around, I start changing what I can export. I not only build this, but also you can have the token combinations. So if I want to see who has 4 of 6 tokens, I can click here and I can export that list. Same thing for the ones who hold 6 of 6, which I know I'm on the list because I hold these tokens, and so on. This is very important again for marketing, for people, creators, for artists who also want to explore potential collaborations, potential partnerships with different brands because they have common holders. This is a way again to identify these relationships. As a single contract tools, this is still in construction, but if I click on the node, for example, on the contract, it'll show me this page where again I have the full list, so I can go ahead and copy it. And this was asked by a user where I can randomly select one address. And this is very cool for, like, for example, raffles, or if I want to send a specific airdrop to one of my holders, this is a way to actually use it. So yeah, this was Snapshooter. Thank you for your time to say this. I'm very excited to launch this. Any feedback, anything else you think I should add to this product, just let me know. Thank you. Keep building.